James Wilson Keto After 50 Review. We'll discuss in this video, what is keto after 50, and what is the keto diet. This video is not like all the other videos you see on YouTube regarding the keyword on what is the ketogenic diet and weight loss in the elderly. This video tutorial on losing weight after 50. I am going to show you a very detailed method on this ketogenic system after 50 written by James Wilson. I'm also showing you how to lose weight using low-carb keto recipe. Without a doubt, the ketogenic diet has gained a lot of popularity in recent years. It has helped thousands of people lose those extra pounds, and its effects are often long-lasting and substantial. But how safe is keto after 50? Despite the rise in popularity, following a diet for a long time is not always easy. In fact, it requires effort, persistence, and continued motivation. Keto After 50 offers both men and women a completely new approach to the ketogenic diet. Is a book specifically designed to help you with your goals in a healthy time frame and with some efforts. So, what exactly is the content and secret behind the success of this book? Here is an honest Keto After 50 book review. Keto After 50 review. What exactly it is? Keto After 50 consists of a series of different food recipes options that can help you to reach the ketogenic state safely. The book doesn't stick to portions, and it doesn't suggest you eat only a particular type of food recipe. On the contrary, it offers you a variety of different type of options that promise that you receive a balanced daily dietary program. This book promises to help seniors, people from all over the world. Is not targeted towards specific categories of individuals. For such an example, it can be really successful in working on people suffering from health conditions, including obesity, diabetes, bad genetics, or even emotional intelligence. It is also targeted specifically towards individuals who had over the age of 50. As we are aware of, those individuals are more prone to suffering from a slow metabolic rate or the inability to burn off any extra calories or fat. In order to make an honest and brief Keto After 50 review, we should also state that the whole philosophy of this program has nothing to do with existing diets. Food, like the zero-carb Atkins-style diet, is also not a low-calorie or starvation style of diet that can be really dangerous for our healthy immune system. Keto After 50 review. Keto After 50 benefits. Keto After 50 has some unique features and benefits that set it apart from similar books. To start, reveal some secrets and tips that can really increase your metabolic rate. The book focuses on the use of fat-burning hormones in favor of our body and helps users avoid cravings and emotional attention. Gradually leads you to fat loss and gives you some pretty groundbreaking tips on how to fire up your metabolic rate. Apart from all that, the book has some specific sections that focus on your fight against diseases and health problems, such as high blood pressure or heart disease. 2 bonuses come throughout the book. Keto After 50 Cookbook and Action. In this special cookbook, you will find step-by-step guides to cooking hundreds of healthy meals. The action guide is dedicated to helping you lose those stubborn first few pounds as soon as possible. Huge benefit of Keto After 50 compared to similar keto books are the fact that it spends some time teaching readers how food actually works in your body. The instructive nature of this book is really helpful as it allows readers to understand the true nature of this program.
That way you will never feel bored while reading it.
Importantly, the authors of this book understand quite well how difficult it can be to suddenly change your eating habit. For this reason, Keto After 50 does not limit you to certain types of foods, depriving you of consuming the foods you love. Instead, it helps you develop a balanced diet that includes a wide variety of food options. Keto After 50 Review. Conclusion: the Keto After 50 book. The review is based on real facts, and the unbiased opinion of former users of this unique method. Overall, Keto After 50 is a great guide on weight loss subject. It includes a number of different materials that can help people around the world to develop a healthier lifestyle. After you start using the book, you will not only have a better understanding of how your body works, but you will also be able to lose those pesky pounds quickly enough. The most important thing is that the results will be permanent, and your self-esteem will increase considerably. After all, we all deserve to lead healthy lives and fight any health problems that come our way. Keto After 50 for safety reasons. Always consult the doctor first before starting any new diet or meal plan. This Keto After 50 review is intended to provide additional information for the like-minded consumer on a best-selling book. Do not pretend to be doctors or nutritionists.